How to import data from Excel in case of revised return? Easily update your revised TDS return using the Excel Import Export option. This tool allows you to import additional deductee, deduction, and salary details, whether working with simple files or more complex files with several corrections. It simplifies the entire process, helping you maintain accuracy and save time. Take a look at how it works. In case of only additional deductee or deduction or salary, follow this procedure. Open the relevant revised file. To export Excel format, click on the Excel picture in the menu bar. Untick with existing data. Click Continue. In the case of revised return, the new challans must be added online in the Traces website. The challan details must not be entered in the challan sheet of exported Excel. In the deduction sheet of the exported Excel file, add details of additional deductions. Now, let us import the data to the software. Click Copy All. Click on Excel Picture. Click on Continue. Click Yes. Click OK. Alternatively, if a significant number of corrections need to be made to the existing data, updated data can be created in a new Excel file after deleting all existing data in the software, followed by re-importing the corrected data. Click on Continue. Now, delete all deductions from the existing challan where corrections need to be made. Let's proceed with making the corrections in the 8th challan. Go to Tools menu. Click on Others. Click Delete All Data. Click on Yes. After deleting all data, export to Excel without selecting the With Existing Data option. Now, copy all the deduction details that need correction from the old Excel and paste them into the new Excel. Do not copy the challan details, as they can be selected from the drop-down list in the new Excel. Make necessary correction in the Excel. Challan sheet should always be blank. Now, link the deduction to challan by selecting from the drop-down. Click Copy All. Verify the data imported through Excel. Thank you.